Good morning, 5th grade. This week we're going to be working on a Scratch tutorial on animating your name. And so to get started, you're going to look for the very first link in Google Classroom called Scratch Animate Your Name tutorial. I'm going to open that up. And it's always a good idea to read everything that you see. Number one, you first need a Scratch account if you haven't already done this. If you need to create a Scratch account, you need to go to an earlier post with a link to join our class in Scratch. If that's all set, then you're going to click this link here on the left to access the Scratch tutorial, and then you'll be able to log in from that screen in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to use the Scratch credentials that you created earlier. Do not create a new account. You will be simply logging in at this point, not creating a new account. You're going to follow the tutorial directions and save your project to the tutorial studio in Scratch. I've also added over here a PDF version of the tutorial directions if that helps. You can open that up and have that on the side. If you have a printer and you want to print them out, that's totally fine, but that's here on the right. And obviously let me know if you have any trouble. Okay, so I'm going to get us started by just simply clicking on this link right here. And as you can see, it's going to pop open the tutorial in Scratch. And if you look in the upper right-hand corner, you have a Join Scratch and a Sign In. You want to click Sign In. If you haven't created an account, this is not the place to do it. You need to use the special link I put in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And I've saved my username and password, so I don't need to type that in. And I am ready to get started on this tutorial. So just to review, over here are our code categories and our blocks. Here is our workspace. And down here is our video tutorial. And over here is sort of the preview window where we can see what our code is going to do for us. So I'm going to press play and get started.
You can use Scratch to animate a name and bring it to life. Make the letters change color, spin, grow, or interact however you like. To get started, we'll pick a background. And then we'll pick our first letter. Let's remove the Scratch Cat sprite. Now, let's make it interactive. I'll make the letter play a sound when I click it. For more ideas, click the green arrow.
Okay, so you can watch that again. But if I remember correctly, I'm going to pick a background. And I see that there's some categories up top. I think I'm going to go with patterns also because I thought that was kind of fun. And I think I'm going to copy the circles because I thought that was really cool. Now I need to pick a letter. So I'm going to pick a new sprite. And I see this category right up here for letters. And I'm going to pick a W. Now I'm going to delete the sprite of the cat, so now it's just my letters. Now honestly, I can't remember how to animate, so I'm going to watch this video again.
You can use Scratch to animate a name and bring it to life. Make the letters change color, spin, grow, or interact however you like. To get started, we'll pick a background. And then we'll pick our first letter. Let's remove the Scratch Cat sprite. Now, let's make it interactive. I'll make the letter play a sound when I click it. For more ideas.
Okay, so now remember, I want to do when clicked. Actually, I think I want to do when the sprite is clicked. So when I touch the W, it's going to make a sound. So play a sound. I don't want a cat though. I guess it will be for now. Let's see what happens. And there you go. And so what you can do next is click this arrow and go to the next page and follow the tutorial. When you're done, save a name. So, you know, I might just put Wendy name. And then we're going to go to the project page. We actually don't want to go there, so let's click back. And, oh, here we go, save now. And let's see what happens when we click on this folder. Let's see if that brings us to our tutorials. Okay, so my stuff, Wendy name, right here. Click on that. And it opens it back up. And you know what? We'll leave it like this for now. I will come back with some directions on how to put this in that other folder. Hope this helps, and reach out to me if you need any further assistance. Good luck. I look forward to seeing your animated names.